Are you ready to see the coolest Halloween accessory of 2019? Well, check this out. Introducing the LED light up bags exclusively from 651Vinyl.com. Check these things out. They have 7 different solid color modes along with 4 different flashing modes that you can turn on to make trick-or-treating in 2019 the coolest ever. Each bag comes with a rechargeable battery that recharges with a micro USB. So the great news is that not only does it come with a micro USB, but if you lose the USB cord that charges the battery, you can use any micro USB to charge it up again. And the other awesome thing is that when the battery is fully charged, it can last up to 8 hours. That's a lot of trick-or-treating. Here's how to operate the rechargeable battery. As you can see, the battery pack is stitched into the seam of the bag. In order to charge it, you want to first disconnect the battery pack, which is this side, from the bag on this side. So you're simply going to pull this switch back and separate the two. Then at the other end of the battery pack, where the power button is, has a connection for the micro USB. So you're simply going to take the micro USB end and insert it next to the power button where the slot is. Then you can connect the other side to a USB compatible charger. And after the battery pack is completely charged, separate the micro USB from the battery pack. Then go back to the other side of the battery and reattach it to the bag. When you have this side up and facing the battery pack, you want to pull the switch back and simply attach the two together. If you've done this correctly, the bag side of the battery pack should fit completely within the battery pack. If you're having issues with your lights flashing or not being as bright as they should, it may be upside down. If the battery pack is on upside down, it won't fit completely into the battery pack slot. So simply separate the two, flip it over, and reattach. And that's how you know the battery is properly connected. And you can let that battery pack rest inside the bag while it's in use for safekeeping. Our LED bags are made of clear plastic, so do not use any kind of heat transfer vinyl to decorate these bags. Please use adhesive vinyl like 651 or any other kind of permanent adhesive vinyl. Also keep in mind that the LED lights are only on one side of the bag. So before you put your vinyl on this bag, make sure that you check which side the LED lights are on and decorate that same side so that the LED lights are facing out. Our bags have been fully tested where they've been completely full of candy and hung for hours and they did not lose their shape. So don't worry about durability because these are definitely candy tested and kid approved. So make sure you grab one of these for Halloween 2019. And for those of you who sell products to your friends or family or have a business, these are going to be a hot product this year because you won't be able to find them anywhere else. I'm Alex Vanover with DIY Alex. And if you like to see 651 Vinyl product videos, Cricut crafts, and other craft shenanigans, make sure that you click right there to subscribe to DIY Alex. And go below to ring the bell so that you never miss when I have a new upload or when I start a new live video. I hope we can craft again soon.